Hello students, I hope you all are fine. I am Jyoti and I am here to teach GSE of class 3rd. Okay, so we were revising the syllabus of quarterly examinations, right? And we have revised up to chapter number 5, right? We have read this chapter also now. So today let us do the worksheet of chapter number 5. First of all, we will revise the worksheet of chapter number 5. So first of all, there are fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is the food in the mouth mixes with dash and becomes soft. The food in mouth, when our food went in our mouth. So in mouth the food mixed with what? In mouth the food mixed with what? In mouth the food mixed with saliva, right? Question number 2. The air we breathe in reaches the lungs through the air we breathe in reaches the lungs through the windpipe, right? Windpipe. Third. Okay. Third one is the dash connects all parts of the body to the brain. Which connects all parts of the body to the brain? So tell me which connects all parts of the body to the brain? Spinal cord, right? Spinal cord. Then the dash pumps blood to different parts of the body. Who pumps blood to different parts of the body? Who pumps blood? Our heart pumps blood, right? This is a work of heart now, to pump the blood to all parts of the body. Next, dash help our body to throw out waste in the form of urine. Which help our body to throw out waste in the form of urine? Which help? Kidneys, right? So our kidneys help to throw out the waste in the form of urine. Okay? Next. Tick the right answer. I hope fill in the blanks are clear to you all, right? So now we will revise. Tick the correct answer. First one is this system gives messages to the brain. This system gives messages to the brain. So which system gives messages to the brain? Let us see. Circulatory system? No. Nervous system? Yes. Nervous system gives messages to the brain. Second, this system helps men and women to have young ones. This system helps men and women to have young ones. So which system? Reproductive? Yes. Reproductive system. Reproductive system helps men and women to have their young ones. Number 3. This system carries blood to all parts of the body. This system carries blood to all parts of the body. So which system carries blood to all parts of the body? Circulatory, digestive or nervous? So which system carries blood to all parts of the body? Circulatory, digestive or nervous? Circulatory system. Okay? Fourth one. This system makes the food ready for use by the body. Which system makes the food ready for use by the body? Which system? Skeletal system? No. Digestive system? Yes. Digestive system makes the food ready to use by all parts of the body. Next, this system is made up of bone. Which system of our body is made up of bone? Circulatory system, excretory system or skeletal system? Which system is made up of bones? Skeletal system, right? Skeletal system is made up of bones. It is nothing, just the structure of our body without flesh, muscles, blood, water, anything. Okay, if we will remove everything from our body, what will remain there? There will be only a structure of bones, and that structure is called skeletal system. Okay. Next, name the following. Name the following. A group of cells that work together. A group of cells that work together. So what do we call a group of cells which work together? So a group of cells that work together is called tissue. Okay, they are called tissue. T-I-S-S-U-E, tissue. Second, it gives shape and support to our body. It gives shape and support to our body. So, which gives shape and support to our body, my students? Tell me the answer of this question. It gives shape and support to our body. Tell me. It gives shape and support to our body. So, which gives shape and support to our body? Skeletal system, right? Skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Number 3, question number 3 is a sac-like organ where the food gets mixed with the digestive juices. A sac-like organ where the food gets mixed with the digestive juices. Which is that organ called? That organ is stomach. Okay? That organ is called stomach. Number 4. The heart pumps this to different parts of the body. Our heart is an organ which pumps what? To different parts of the body. So heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. Okay? Undigested food is thrown out this. Undigested food is thrown out this. What undigested food thrown out this? What? Excreta, right? So this is the answer. After that, answer the following. Answer the following. See. See, answer question number 5 can be honest, okay? After that, answer the following question number 1 is, what is digestion? What is digestion? Draw a label diagram of digestive system. So, my students, what is digestion? Digestion is breaking the food into small parts so that it can be used by different parts of our body in the form of nutrients. Right? This is called digestion, right? Digestion is the breaking of food in small parts so that it can be used by different parts of the body in the form of nutrients. Question number 2. What are the parts of breathing system? So, my students, what are the parts of breathing system? So, the parts of breathing system are lungs, right? Lungs and what? And which organs are part of breathing system? See, the part of breathing system are nose, lungs. Okay? Nose, lungs, these are the part of breathing system. After that, what are the functions of skeletal system? What are the functions of skeletal system? So, what are the functions of skeletal system? The function of skeletal system is to give shape and support to our body, to protect the internal organs of our body, right? I told you now what skeletal system do. It gives shape and support to our body. It protects our internal organ from the injury, right? Like our skull protect our brain, right? Similarly, our ribs protect our heart, lungs, right? So skeletal system gives shape and support to the body. They protect the internal organs of the body. Then, what does our brain work? How does our brain work? How does our brain work? So, how does our brain work? It gets messages. It gets messages through the nerves of different parts of the body, and then it sends messages to the different parts of the body to perform a specific task. Right? So this is the answer to this question. Like whenever we get hurt by something, so what happened that time? That time our muscles or our got hurt. Then brain give message to the hand that remove your hand from that place, right? So that in this way our brain works. Okay, in this way our brain works. After that, question number 5. What is the role of blood in our body? What is the role of blood in our body? So tell me, my students, what is the role of blood in our body? Tell me. So what is the role of blood in our body, my students? Tell me. See, blood helps in yes. What happens with the blood? What happens with the blood? See. Blood. What is the role of blood in our body? So blood, it goes to different parts of the body, right? And it carries oxygen and nutrients. Okay, it carries oxygen and nutrients from the food to different parts of the body. Okay, it gives oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. Okay, so this is the role of blood in our body. So what does blood do? Blood carries oxygen and nutrients from the food and it gives them to different parts of the body. Okay, so this is all about exercise of chapter number 5. So here this is completed. Now I will tell you something. See, all of you know that from today our examination started, right? So today was maths exam and so many students had doubt, some had no doubt. Okay, first thing which you all should remember, that it is compulsory you cannot open book and copy during exam, right? It is mentioned in notice also, na? Still some students call me and said that ma'am, this question is not there in my copy. It means you are writing from your copy, right? So don't do this. Otherwise there will be no meaning of the exams, na? So whenever you are giving exam, don't write with the help of your copy only. Okay? So I am going to tell you the format of question paper. How the question paper of science, GSA, general science will be there. Okay? So there will be some multiple choice questions. Okay? There will be some multiple choice questions. Then there will be fill in the blanks. Okay? Then there will be fill in the blanks. And then there will be true false. Then there will be true false. And then there will be give one word answer. Give one word answer, and there will be one diagram. There will be one diagram, and then there will be question answers. Okay, so this will be the format of your paper. There will be some multiple choice questions. There will be some fill in the blanks, true false, give one word answer, diagram, question answer. Okay? So diagram, you know that only very few diagrams are there in your exam. In your book. So practice with those diagrams. Okay? Practice with those diagrams and draw neat and clean diagrams. Okay? Okay, so this is the format of your question paper. Remember this one, okay? And one more thing which I want to tell you is, so many students and their parents number 2, number 1, whatever will be there, you will see from the question paper. Then you will write multiple choice questions. Okay, multiple choice questions, and then you will write the answers. Then you will write the answers like number 1, answer, number 2, whatever the answer, number 3, answer of number 3, number 4, answer of number 4, number 5, answer of number 5. Okay, like that you will solve each and every question. Understood? I hope this is clear to you all. And then the question of diagram will be there. You will write the question number and then you will draw the diagram. Okay, you will draw the diagram with the help of pencil only. Okay, again I am telling you, my students, you will draw the diagram by using pencil only. You will not use colors. Okay, you will not use any color for drawing. Understood? I hope this is clear to you all. All of you will draw the diagram with the help of pencil only. You will not use any sketch, any color. You will not use any color to draw the diagram. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay? So this is the format of question paper, and like that you have to solve the question paper. Okay, students? So wish you very all the best for your exam. Prepare well for the exam. Learn well. Revise well. Okay? So we have revised all the chapters. Revise at your home. Learn and give exam without any cheating. Okay? See, if with the help of cheating you will get 50 out of 50, there will be no use of that marks. Okay, so there will be no use of that marks. So you do whatever you do. You don't cheat from it. So all the best. Learn well.